die.
Oh!
Boom! Headshot!
Dude, stop it. You're playing like a noob.
Are you serious? Don't hide there. What are you doing? What are you doing, big guy? Come on.
Yeah, get on!
Come on, get him, get him, get him. Come on, all of us. Get him. Yes! Game over! Cool, that's what I'm talking about. Good job, you guys. Pure domination. Oh my god. All this slaughtering has got me so hungry. There's nothing to eat in this house. Need some chicken patties, dude.
Yeah, man, let's get some pizza rolls.
Forget pizza rolls. It's all about the chicken patties.
Dude, I'm getting hungry.
Oh, you think you're hungry? Like I'm not? Alright, forget it. Muhammad, I'm coming to get you right now and we are going out to eat.
Wait, Muhammad. Which Muhammad are you talking to?
I'm talking to both of you. Alright, I'll see you in a few minutes. Yeah, hey mom, it's your son, Muhammad, you might remember me. Well, I'm just calling you to thank you for leaving me alone in a house all by myself for 8 days straight with no food and a broken toilet. So thanks, keep it up, you're really good. Thanks.
Alright man, I'll only come with you, but we gotta get some pizza rolls.
Alright, fine, they'll be in the freezer section right by the chicken patty. Let's go, come on.
No, we just ran out. Sorry about that.
Love pizza rolls.
Pizza rolls.
Blueberry mix.
What brand is it for?
Hostess.
We don't have Hostess. We have blueberry muffins, not mini muffins.
too. What are you doing? Alright, well, we'll come pick you up when you admit that Call of Duty is better than Halo. Admit it. Yes. Yes.
I'm not gonna do that.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. 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 Oh my god, fine, you win, it's better.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, well, how about you come outside because we're here. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Man, no chicken eggs. One of those mini ones, too.
Hey, I made you some food.
Your sister is amazing. Dude, you got a new message.
Boy, I can't wait to